This 5-minute solution will show you how to reset EA account password. So if you're trying to sign into your EA account but you forgot your account password, don't worry. Follow these easy steps to learn how you can reset your EA account password. Open your browser and open ea.com. Once you're here, click on this profile icon. Click on sign in. And once you are in sign in page here, click on forgot your password. And now enter here your EA account email address or EA ID and write the captcha here and click on next. And now you have to verify your email address, so click on send code. And now go to your Gmail and collect this verification code and enter the code here and click on next. And now here you can easily reset your password. Just type your new password here and click on submit. And as you can see, my password has been successfully changed. So this is how we can reset EA account password. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.